compression technologies are very active looking at increasing the recycling rate for aluminium sheet coming into the product that we make with HFQ. There is huge benefit with recycled content when it comes to aluminium. Typically it requires 95% less energy to make aluminium with recycled material than it is compared to primary aluminium. With HFQ, we're looking at broadening the composition range for the aluminium alloys, and that should allow us to access a broader range of scraps, and that will help to bring the cost down. But the fact that we're accessing a broader range of scraps allows us more opportunity to access the wider scrap market and still achieve all the performance benefits in the part in terms of strength and achieving complex parts. A great start point with designing a product is to use as small amount of material as possible. And what we can do with HFQ already when we're designing is to reduce the amount of material used in the process. That can include smaller blanks, that can include greater integration of parts, so removing flanges, but also reducing the thickness of the parts. So all of that takes material and mass out of the component, helping sustainability, but also helping to reduce weight and cost. With our target to access a broader scrap range, and we're talking directly with the scrap companies to understand that better, we want to access lower cost scrap to bring the overall cost of the part down. ITL is not just a technology partner, we're also a tier. So we sit within a supply chain, within a value chain, and we're dealing with, right from the scrap side, we're dealing with scrap companies, understanding the sources of scrap, understanding the technology level that the scrap companies are at in terms of sorting and refining that scrap, all the way up to the car customers themselves. So we sit within the middle of that. So we have a great view of the overall supply chain. And by connecting that value chain, we think we can bring value to the end customer.